Hi all, in this video we will learn how to install VS Code and configure it for Python. VS Code is a popular IDE. This is very suitable for Python programming language. Let's see whether Python is installed in your system. Go to the command prompt, type Python --version. In my system, Python 3.12.7 is installed. If it is not installed, then we will receive a message something like this. Like Python is not recognized as an internal or external command. So in this scenario, we have to install Python first. To install Python, go to any browser, type Python download. Here you can go to python.org, download Python. Download the latest version for Windows. You can click here. Based on your operating system, you can select either Linux or Unix, Mac OS and other things. So once you download and double click, then Python will be installed in your system. To install the Visual Studio Code, go to the browser and type Visual Studio Code download. You will be taken to the site, download Visual Studio Code, click there. Based on your operating system, you can select which one to download. For me it is Windows, so I'll download Windows. Save it. Go to the download folder. Now this is the application or exe file got downloaded. Double click it. Read the license agreement. Click on I accept the agreement and click on next. Visual Studio Code will be installed in the default directory. If you want a different directory, you can click the browse. I would like to install in the default directory, so I'll click on next. Similarly, if you want different directory, click on browse. I'll use the default directory. I'll click on next. Based on the preference, you can select or leave it blank these buttons. I would like to create a desktop icon, so I'll click on here. Similarly, I will click these two buttons. If you don't like, you can leave it as it is and click on next. Click on install. It will take up a moment to complete the installation. Finish. This is the Visual Studio Code IDE. Let's create a file. Go to File, New File. For the Python, the extension is .py. So make sure that you are having the extension as .py. I would like to keep it in the C and then Python code, create file. Let's type a Python statement. Let's say hello world. Let's print a number. Save it. To run it from our local system, go to that folder, C Python code, change directory. Otherwise, you can be in the same directory and give the path in the file. To run it, we can write Python and then the name of the file, hello world Swarna and 100. That is what we have written here. Now let me run it from this terminal. Go to terminal, new terminal, change directory where we have kept our Python file, and then Python test1.py. Now as you see, there is no run button here. To have the run button, go to the extensions, select here Python, by Microsoft, install the Python extension for Visual Studio Code. Click on install. It will take a moment to install. It is installed now. Notice that still the run button is not there. Click here code runner. Make sure this is the logo. Install. It is installed now. Now you see this run code button is there. Go to the test1.py, run it. You see the hello world Swarna 100. This means that we have installed Visual Studio Code successfully and we are able to run our Python code. Thank you. Thanks for watching.